Want to get your hands on a new Ford GT? You could place an order and hope for a build slot, or you could head to Scottsdale, Arizona later this month. That's where Barrett-Jackson will be auctioning off this splendid example in liquid blue and white racing stripes, with 100% of the proceeds going to charity. The car belongs to one Ron Pratte, a noted collector and Arizona native. Pratte generously donated his GT to the Everham Family's Racing for a Reason Foundation, which has consigned the car for auction to benefit the Autism Society of North Carolina. Like the other 250 examples Ford will make each year, at a rate of one per day, Pratte's GT packs a tightly wound 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and rated at 647 horsepower and 550 pounds-to-foot of torque, into middle of a carbon monocoque chassis. As if the prospect of owning one of the finest supercars ever made in North America, and the opportunity to help a good cause, weren't enough, the winning bidder will also receive tutelage behind the wheel at the Ford Performance Racing School in Tuel, Utah. The hammer's set to drop at about 8:30 p.m. local time on Saturday, January 20, 2018.